a trio of trouble, understanding, several, a few, and a couple of. Hello, English language learners. Welcome to today's video. We are going to explore a fascinating aspect of the English language: the use of several, a few, and a couple of. These are words we use every day, but knowing when and how to use them can be tricky. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently understand and use these words. Let's start by defining our terms. Several is used to describe an indefinite quantity that is above a few, but not a lot. A few also refers to an indefinite small number, but it's typically more than a couple of, and less than several. A couple of is generally used to describe two of something, although in casual conversation it can sometimes mean a small number of items. These are all quantifiers, words that give us information about number or amount. How do we use these words? Let's see them in action. Several. I have several assignments to complete. We don't know the exact number, but it is more than just a few. A few. I have a few friends coming over tonight. We don't know the exact number, but it is not many. A couple of. I have a couple of apples in my bag. It is usually two, but can sometimes mean a small number. Remember, in everyday English, these words are often used interchangeably and context is important. Now that we understand their individual uses, let's see how they compare. If we had to arrange them in order of quantity, a couple of would typically be the smallest, followed by a few, and then several would usually signify the greatest number. Consider these sentences. I have a couple of candies left. Maybe 2 to 3 candies. I have a few candies left. Perhaps 3 to 5 candies. I have several candies left. Perhaps more than 5 candies. Keep in mind, these are not strict numerical values. The exact quantity can vary based on context and personal interpretation. Well, there we have it. We have explored the common English quantifiers: several, a few, and a couple of. Practice using these in your everyday conversations to gain confidence. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to fluency. We hope this video has been helpful. Happy learning and see you in our next video.